Quite.
Our peg-legged quarry can't be far now.
Get the following. Tools, check. I got tools. Gears, double check. I got gears. Girl, no, didn't get girl. Uniforms, I got plenty uniforms. Oh no. I gotta hide. Ooh, I gotta hide.
Splendid job, Toby. Ooh! Now, Toby, sit. Toby, sit.
Sit, Toby.
Good boy. If you'll excuse me.
You be good now. We are going to find my father.
Aha! Here is our friend's entrance.
But Basil, how could he fit into such a tiny little...
Doctor?
Basil, you astound me.
Dip. Shh.
I beg your pardon. Oh, my. Upon my word. I've never seen so many toys.
Behind any of which could lurk a bloodthirsty assassin. So please, Doctor, be very careful. Please. Quiet. Don't let this girl out of your sight.
Now, Olivia, dear, stay close.
Checkmate. Aha. Evidence of our peg-legged adversary. How very odd.
What is it, Basil?
Isn't it painfully obvious, Doctor? These dolls have been stripped of their uniforms. And not by any child either. Huh. Hello. Someone has taken the liberty of removing the clockwork mechanisms from these toys.